Pardon my voice, getting over a little bit of a sickness. We are in a 1970 Super B Mopar Dodge 383 with a 4-speed Magnum 500 wheels, all original example, showing 97,000 miles. Pretty good shape considering that. Came out of Montana, private collection. Don't really know too much of the backstory other than that it's an original survivor car that was tuned up and got running driving. Here's startup. Starts right up, idle's nice, horn works, signal works, indicator, tack, reading nice, a little bit off. I got 1,000 or a 1,200 right here, 800 right here. Headlights work, high beams work, indicator works. See you there. Arc light work. Dome light does not work. Wipers slow. Starting to rain, we might need them actually. And high, both modes work. That's great. Here's the wash button. I hear the pump, no fluid. Radio.
The area's only indoor water park for dogs. We have
FM or AM. All works. The heater is bypassed on the motor and the water pump. Let's see if we can hear the fan. Fan works. Don't want to go too long and blow out any junk. Rearview mirror, your day and night mode works. Could use some adjustment up there, a little loose. Visors, nice and stiff, they're in good shape. A couple cracks in the dash, but the wood, grain, plastic's in a good shape. Ashtrays in the trunk, I didn't try and put it in, it looks like a swap meet part. Carve air, adjust the amount of airflow to the Ram Air or Ramcharger setup down there. Another knob, it's your foot vent. Oh, it's not a knob, you can hear it though. It's working. Here's what I would assume is a manual choke cable. Current carburetor's not a manual choke, so you don't need that. Runs strong. Driver's seat back needs some work. It's part of the tilt arm looks like it's either bent or broken. So you can still get the clutch all the way down. Not a concern, but you will want to look for something to fix that or fabricate something, you know. Okay, well, let's go down the road. Oh, flashers, let's try those, huh? Push in on. Let's give it a second. No hazards. All right. Other than that, I got a microphone on the trunk or on the bumper, listen to the exhaust. We'll chop that in here and there and let you know. All gauges are reading, I believe. Tack, speedo, odometer, fuel gauge. That one might need a sending unit or a connection made. Temperature, we are just under 170 it looks like. Oil pressure, 25, 30 pounds. Alternator, we're charging 30 plus 30 plus almost 40 full charging. All right, let's go. Pistol grip, 4-speed. You have to have it in reverse to get the key out. Just a trick whenever you're trying to do that after you get it, buy it, or have one. Try and beat the rain back today. Didn't know it was gonna rain. It's 3,500 RPM. Gauge showing 65, almost 70. Car track's nice. Kind of just follows the road. Favors the right just a hair. That's a good sound though. Alright, so gauge is showing 75. We're reading right about 60. Oil pressure now, we're about 50 pounds. Alternator's charging. Temperature, probably about 180. 3,100 RPM. Or 21. You know, I think it feels more like 21. I'm gonna trust this one. 3,000. That sounds more like 3,000 to me. Man, this thing sounds good. check it out, frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call or leave a comment on YouTube. While you're on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, share, watch another video. Anything like that will help our channel. And we'll see you guys next time.